What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an SMS marketing tool on Wix. So first off, just start by searching Wix on Google, and if you have not created an account, just simply sign in and create your account. If you have already created an account, just uh, select a site from your recent sites, or if you don't have any site, just simply create a new site and then you can just pick an inbuilt site which is already been built on Wix. So for this video, I'm choosing this site. There are two ways of adding SMS. The first one is just go to settings and then in the communication and notifications, go to communication channels. And then here is the Wix SMS option. As you can see, and just click on manage SMS. So if you want to do a paid SMS marketing, you just simply click on upgrade and it will show you multiple payments option, and you can just opt for this paid SMS marketing option by Wix as a default. But here's another option. On your left side in the apps, click on app market and search for SMS marketing. Here there are bunch of SMS marketing tools for free. You can just select one. For example, I'm selecting this Rabbit. I'll just simply click on add to site and then click on agree and add. It will simply add this SMS marketing tool to my site. So from here you can enter your domain name and a company name and all the details. And then you can start this SMS marketing tool and you can just manage this tool for free. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.